Disqualifications for registration in an electoral roll. Section 16 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referral guideline of Election Commission of India. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to the Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. Explain the Section 16 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. They will also be able to understand the provisions regarding disqualifications for registration in an electoral roll. Article 324 of the Constitution is about superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in Election Commission of India. Preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election will be done by the Election Commission of India. Article 325 says there will be one general roll for every territorial constituency. No person shall be ineligible for inclusion in the electoral roll on ground of religion, race, caste, sex or any of them. Article 326 says elections for Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha on the basis of adult suffrage. Electors to be citizen of India. Electors not to be less than 18 years of age on qualifying date. Disqualification for registrations are non-residence, unsoundness of mind, disqualified on the basis of crime, corrupt practices and illegal practice. Article 327 says power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for the House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power conferred by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950. Section 16 comes under the Part 3, that is, electoral rules for assembly constituencies. Section 16 is about disqualification for registration in an electoral roll. Its subsection 1 says, a person shall be disqualified for registration in an electoral roll if he is not a citizen of India or is of unsound mind and stands so declared by a competent court, or is for the time being disqualified from voting under the provisions of any law relating to corrupt practices and other offences in connection with the election. Subsection 2 says, the name of any person who becomes so disqualified after registration shall forthwith be struck off the electoral roll in which it is included, provided that the name of any person struck off the electoral roll of a constituency by a reason of disqualification under clause C of subsection 1 shall forthwith be reinstated in that roll if such disqualification is, during the period such roll is in force, removed under any law authorizing such a removal. So because of Article 324 and Article 327, RP Act 1950 was enacted, and by incorporating Article 325 and Article 326, Section 16 was written. Conclusion and extra points. Non-citizens, including foreign nationals or individuals who have renounced Indian citizenship, are barred from voter registration. This ensures that only Indian citizens participate in the democratic process of electing representatives. A person holding a foreign passport or residing in India as non-citizen, that is on visa, cannot be enrolled as an elector. If a court of law has legally declared an individual to be of unsound mind, then the person shall be disqualified from registration. The disqualification applies only if a competent court has made such a declaration. A mere medical diagnosis without a court's ruling does not suffice. Section 61C of RP Act 1950 is about disqualification for registration as an elector. One of the conditions is, for the time being, disqualified from voting under the provisions of any law relating to corrupt practices and other offences and correction of the election. Disqualification for voting have been explained in Section 11A of RP Act 1951. If a person becomes disqualified after being registered, his or her name will be removed from the electoral roll. However, if the disqualification is removed under any law while the roll is still in effect, his or her name will be reinstated. Can an overseas citizen of India cardholder register as an elector? As per Section 7B(2)(f) of the Citizenship Act 1955, overseas citizen of India cardholders cannot be registered as voters under the Section 16 of the RP Act 1950. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 16 of RP Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.